Namaste, my name is Liz Lindh. This is the Lakshmi Rising Surya Namaskar, an all-purpose sun salutation that's a great way to start any vinyasa practice. Begin at the top of your mat in Tadasana. Plug your feet into the earth, activate your arches, keep a micro bend in your knees, lengthen your low back, draw lower belly in, widen your chest, drop your shoulders, grow through the crown of your head. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up to the sky. Grab onto your right wrist, side bend to your left. Inhale back through center, grab your left wrist, bend to the right. Inhale through center, exhale, soften your knees, place your hands at your lower back, arch back. Exhale, forward fold, interlace your fingers, stretch your arms over your head. Inhale, place your hands on your shins, lengthen your spine. Exhale, plant your hands and step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg to the sky. In three-legged dog, exhale, coil thigh to chest, place the foot between your hands. Inhale, roll up into a high lunge, arms high. Exhale, ground the back heel, spin the hips open into warrior two. Inhale, reach forward and reverse your warrior two. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down and frame your front foot. Spin onto your back tiptoes. Twist your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, replace the hand. Inhale, send the leg up into three-legged dog. Exhale, hinge forward into a high plank. Inhale in plank. Exhale into Chaturanga Dandasana. Glide over your toes, open your chest, upward facing dog. Exhale, send your hips to the sky, press back into downward facing dog. Step your toes together. Inhale, take your left leg up. Exhale, coil thigh to chest, place the foot between the hands. Scissor the thighs together, roll up, lengthen the side body, high lunge. Exhale, swivel the hips open, warrior two. Stretch forward, sweep your fingers across the sky. Exhale, shift forward, place your hands on the mat on each side of your foot. Twist your left arm to the sky, revolve side angle. Exhale, bring the hand back down and frame the foot. Inhale, kick the leg up into three-legged dog. Exhale, shift forward into plank. Inhale, exhale, drop into Chaturanga. Glide forward into upward facing dog. Press back into downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in, a full breath out, and hop your feet to your hands. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll back to standing. Reach the arms high, palms touch. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart.